Stop waiting. Start building. Welcome to your AI Income Playbook. Quick launch opportunities. 1. AI Content Machine. Launch, 24 hours. Investment, minimal. Potential, $500 to $5,000 per month. Use AI to dominate specific content niches. Focus on high-demand, low-competition sectors. 2. AI Business Art. Setup, weekend, tools, Midjourney, DALL-E. Market, commercial clients. Create unique AI art for businesses needing quick, custom visuals. Scale through automation. 3. AI-enhanced copywriting. Start time, immediate. Rates, $50 to $200 per hour. Combine AI tools with human touch for high-converting copy. Target e-commerce and startups. 4. Social media automation. Setup, 1 week. Monthly revenue, $1,000 to $3,000 per client. Build automated content systems for businesses. Use AI for scheduling, creation, and analytics. 5. Custom chatbot development. Timeline, 2 to 4 weeks. Pricing, $2,000 to $5,000 per bot. Create specialized chatbots for specific industries. Focus on solving real business problems. Now let's go to the advanced opportunities. 1. AI consulting. Start. Immediate. Rates, $150 to $500 per hour. Help businesses implement AI solutions. Focus on practical applications, not theory. 2. AI course creation. Development, 1 month. Potential, $3,000 to $10,000 per month. Teach others how to use AI tools effectively. Package your knowledge into online courses. 3. AI translation services. Setup, 1 week. Rates, $0.10 to $0.30 per word. Combine AI translation with human editing for faster, accurate translations. 4. AI video production. Equipment, basic camera plus AI tools. Revenue, $1,000 to $5,000 per project. Use AI to streamline video editing and production. Target businesses needing regular content. 5. AI research services. Start, immediate. Pricing, $75 to $200 per hour. Leverage AI for market research and competitive analysis. Sell insights to businesses. Now for the emerging opportunities. 1. AI voice services. Setup, minimal. Rates, $100 to $500 per project. Create AI voiceovers for videos, podcasts, and commercials. 2. AI fitness coaching. Launch, 2 weeks. Monthly revenue, $2,000 to $5,000. Combine AI with personal training for scalable fitness programs. 3. AI real estate tool. Development, 1 to 2 months. Pricing, subscription-based. Build AI tools for property analysis and virtual tours. 4. AI writing enhancement. Start, immediate. Rates, $50 to $150 per hour. Help authors and businesses improve their writing with AI tools. 5. AI business automation. Setup, variable. Monthly retainer, $1,000 to $3,000. Create custom automation solutions for small businesses. The bottom line, don't wait for perfect. Start small, scale fast. Focus on solving real problems. Combine AI with human expertise. Action steps. Pick one opportunity. Set up basic tools. Find first client within 7 days. Scale what works. Remember, the AI revolution isn't coming. It's here. The ones making money aren't waiting for permission. They're building, testing, and scaling right now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.